colorful shirts, and bags. Colors that I picked are light green, teal, pink, red, and dark blue. The colors I picked is yellow, pink, red, light blue, and orange. First, we're gonna pour water in these bottles. Now we need to shake it very well. We need to tie the shirts to make a different design. That's why we have rubber bands. Mine is gonna be so cool. Now this is gonna be the fun part. Once we're done, we need to put the shirts in the plastic bag and leave it for 6 hours. Now we're gonna do the bags. Look at my messy hands. And mine too. This is my technique. This is my technique. Now we need to wait 6 hours to see how it turned out. And this is the final result. My shirt is very colorful everywhere. My shirt is white on the bottom and colorful on the top. And this is how my bag turned out. It's purple, but I like it. This is how my bag turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for